Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. This is super useful if your Google storage is getting full, but you still want to keep your pictures safely on your device. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has your backed up photos. Now, before you start deleting anything, you'll need to turn off backup and sync. This is very important. To do that, tap your profile picture at the top right corner, then go to Photos Settings. Next, tap Backup and Sync, and turn the switch off. This stops Google Photos from syncing any changes you make on your phone to the cloud, meaning if you delete a photo online, it won't delete from your phone. Now, open your browser, either on your phone or laptop, and go to photos.google.com. Log in with the same Google account. You'll see all your photos stored in the cloud. To delete them, simply click or tap on the photos you no longer want. Then hit the trash bin icon at the top right corner. Confirm by clicking Move to Trash. This will remove the photos from your Google Photos cloud storage. But since backup and sync is off, they'll stay safely on your phone. If you want to double check, open your phone's Gallery app or File Manager. Your photos will still be there. And that's it! You've just deleted photos from Google Photos without removing them from your phone. It's a great way to free up cloud space without losing your memories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.